Welcome back to Crypto and Craft Beer. So today we're going to do something a little bit different. So we're going to go over the portfolio. So look at this. If you notice, I'm 50% in USD. I'm not 100% in crypto. I'm not all the way in. I don't have my shirt off for this one. Like Elon said, don't bet the farm on crypto. I just don't understand that, man. He's so rich and it's just like, why are you trying to stop this? Anyway, don't bet the farm on crypto. So what I've learned over the past is once you go all the way in and the move goes against you, you're gonna be waiting for that money to come back, or you might not break back even on that trade. So what I realized is don't put all your eggs in all the baskets. You need to make sure you have something left over to make, buy a dip, make a trade that you've been wanting to make because finally you see a good price, all the above. So what I'm going to show you here is what my portfolio consists of as of right now. One thing I'm doing is I'm buying companies that are vastly undervalued right now, or just not getting the clout as Shiba Inu and all of the majors. I'm buying sleeping giants, and I'm not buying them to hodl. I'm not buying them to hold for 5 years. I mean, even though some of these I may create a portfolio where I do hold them for multiple years. That's not my goal right now. My goal is to make as much money before this market goes into a bear market, and then accumulate to hold. So first off, we have Maker DAO. Maker is pretty much like it is a blockchain built on the Ethereum networks that allows you to buy Maker and pretty much use it to borrow DAI, which is a cryptocurrency pretty much pegged to a dollar. So it's a stable coin, and Maker is what people buy to have voting rights over stable coins, loans, and different things like that. Filecoin, like I said, is a sleeping giant. It is like a blockchain cloud file service, and it's pretty much taking files from where you have all these big data centers and things like that. They're spreading them out, and they're giving the everyday man a chance to be able to be a information hub, or if I may say that, and allowed to take transactions for the files that these companies may need or people may need. ICP is pretty much like a internet. It's like a foundation that built their own internet structure outside of the real internet, mostly for blockchain. So it's a blockchain that will allow servers of other blockchains to flawlessly work on their blockchain and on their platform without any issues. So, for example, if the regular internet outlawed crypto, like if they said, "Hey, no cryptocurrencies will be allowed to be sold or bought over the regular internet," then everybody will have to come over to the internet computer because that is what they were built for. Courtesy. Courtesy, last night I bought Courtesy, I believe at 82 cents. No, 77 cents I bought it last night. It shot all the way up to, I believe, 85 cents. I literally sold it in the middle of the night. Courtesy is like another blockchain. They deal with smart contracts. I can't really get into too much detail, but I can tell you like this. Courtesy is very undervalued, and it has some room to grow. It has a lot of room to grow. Next, TAZOS. TAZOS is, I'm not really sure what it is, but the charts are down. Let me show you something about these charts. XTZ. All right, so Tezos has not really moved since I bought it yesterday, but it's no problem because that's how it works sometimes when you're about to get a moonshot. All right, so I'm looking for a move out of Tezos to about $8, probably a 20% move. And what you do is you just buy it and you wait. But this is a Tezos chart. It looks like it's been going up pretty steadily. It's just now we're looking at that little dip that we had from its prior peak of 851. So I believe I bought in the right spot. Let me go ahead and show you ICP as well. All of these have something in common. Look at their charts. Look at ICP's chart. They had a high of 750. I bought my highest ICP at $114 before. I have sold since then because I was able to make enough profit to pretty much close my trades at a break even with ICP. But I do see ICP going to like a $1,500, $3,000 coin within the next 5 years after there's more adoption. So you see that chart. Let's see who else we have here. Alchemy Pay, Brain Trust, a Symbol Protocol. Those are more of my just looking for a moonshots. Those are new to Coinbase. Really, the only two that I really expect to be something in the future is Alchemy Pay and Brain Trust. If we go to Brain Trust, you can see that they're already dealing with multiple vendors, clients. They already have NASA, Nike, Nestle, Porsche, Black and Decker. Like, they're already involved with these companies. They're already involved with utility. And the market cap for Brain Trust is very, very small. So I will be looking into this one. They put it out on Coinbase with a terrible chart. I mean, Brain Trust kind of just came out. But if we look at the all-time, it had a high of $48, and now we are down to $6.40 or some odd. So once again, look at this chart. I am buying graveyard charts. I am not buying charts that are seeing all-time highs and things like that. This coin could potentially explode to $100 coin, $150 coin, because of the max supply is only 250 million, and that's the total supply is always going to have. So this coin itself could be a couple $100 coin as well. So if you're looking for something to hold through the bear market, I wouldn't hold too much through the bear market, but I would be looking to accumulate low market cap coins instead of coins that have already, pretty much been on the top 10 for the last 5-6 years, and now there's new people coming out. If you want to make a lot of money in crypto, you must realize you have to find the new crypto companies and then buy in early. All of those companies that you see now that are up, they're already up thousands of %, and the people that benefited the most bought 2 years ago, last year, much before the boom of the alts this year. So just wanted to give you guys a little update about my portfolio. Doing pretty good. Like I said, you always buy on red days and you sell on green. That is the name of the game. I'll even check my safe moon for you here since we're already here. These are literally all my holdings. I learned just don't have all your money on the table at one time. Safe moon, it's doing okay. It's really showing consolidation strength between the 300 and the 225 level, but I'll show you what's going on right now, because Safe Moon had a nice dip yesterday and it jumped right back up. It's not allowing Safe Moon to die. So let's get up to this 400 level. Let's get up somewhere here where we can start pretty much seeing a fat profit off of my original investment, and then we can start thinking about taking profits. But I want to welcome you guys back to Crypto and Craft Beer. Always like, share, subscribe. Let me know what you think in the comments about these investments. What investments do you have? What do you see being the best investment for 2022 as far as percentage wise? What can make the best gains? All right. See you later.